Yo, Brian with FBC here to tell you guys about our new Sprinter bull bar and skid plate. We're using a full aluminum TIG welded construction using 2.5-inch tubing and 3mm plate. We've got this big shelf here that you can mount all kinds of auxiliary lights to, as long as you don't have adaptive cruise. We're using some Axia Alloys clamp mounts to mount some Baja Designs LP6s up here. We designed the upper shelf around the license plate, so if you're in a state that requires front license plate, you got room to mount it. Down below, we've got integrated mounts for Baja Designs S2 pod lights, as well as vent cutouts for ventilation. We've also got a removable access panel behind it to make wiring that much easier. All of this rolls seamlessly into the integrated skid plate option. And that's it for the Sprinter bull bar and skid plate. If you guys have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to our customer service team, or if you want to see more of our stuff, check out our YouTube channel.